Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana, is hovering just below the next key resistance levels. We talked about these, I think, in yesterday's video. The area here around $153, $154, and that a break above these levels is required to unlock prices, first of all, around $160, which is where this trend line is running. But also, more importantly, it would open the door to $180. This is what I find quite likely in terms of possible upside targets. How exactly we get there, I'm not entirely sure, I have to say. There are a few wave counts that could apply there. But for now, I'm first of all tracking here the immediate microstructure, where we said it is likely to get a a reaction to this support area. There was another one here that was a 1-2 setup, but bear in mind, only a very ugly one, because the wave 1, circle 1 to the upside, is a 3-wave move. So that means we're dealing here all with corrective structures as well. And in the last video, I explained to you that I find it quite likely that this fourth wave, this internal fourth wave, which is really just a correction, a consolidation, sideways correction. Obviously, it's a bit, it's volatile, it's crypto. So when I talk about consolidation, it means, it moved down to support, to the ideal target for the fourth wave. Maybe it's over already, but that's currently not expected for various reasons. But then it rallied from there around 140 to 154. So in just a couple of days. So that is quite a lot of volatility. Now, however, the price got rejected at this resistance area there, or let's call it a resistance level, cluster of resistances, couple overlapping there around 153, 154, and the move down here could be this C wave, wave C of 4, A, B, C. And this C wave might have started, on the Bitcoin chart, I'm already tracking a possible 5-wave move down in a C wave. We talked about that today in Bitcoin's, not in Bitcoin's video, in the Bitcoin video. But it needs to follow through a little bit more. And this initial move down looks a bit like a 3-wave move, but this is how it could unfold as a micro 5-wave pattern to the downside. There is, with any of these wave counts, always an invalidation point. And here, the invalidation point would be the $154 level, pretty much the intraday high, because what shouldn't happen is that this wave 2 corrective rally breaks above that level. That really shouldn't happen. If it does, it's not this structure anymore. Then we might be dealing with an extended B, but then we have to be also a little bit more open to the idea that wave 4 already bottomed here on the 22nd on Sunday, when the price hit the 38.2 retracement. Again, quick reminder, the 38.2 retracement is typically the ideal target for a fourth wave. Doesn't mean it has to find support there. Sometimes it's a little bit lower, sometimes it's a little higher, but it is typically what a wave 4 does. Now, looking, however, at the entire structure from that September low here, it would look best with one more leg down in a wider wave 4 flat correction. What's a flat correction? In a flat correction, we have 3 waves down. Okay, we've got that, check. 3 waves up. Okay, we've got that, and then 5 waves down. Might be working on it right now. And if this is a C wave down, it might form a so-called running flat correction. In these running flat corrections, the C wave to the downside might not even end below A. So it might just form a low above $142. So depending on when these 5 waves are completed. That's at the moment what I'm watching for. Here support is between $146 and $136.33. And the idea is that the price from here has a good chance to start the next move up in wave 5. So I am primarily still looking for higher. In the very short term, however, I find it likely that support will be tested once more. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.